You know the feeling. You collapse onto the couch after a brutally long day, and suddenly the thought of walking to the bathroom to brush your teeth feels like climbing a mountain. So you skip it. When you wake up the next morning, you notice it immediately, that thick, coated, fuzzy sensation running along the surface of your teeth. It is easy to write that off as standard morning breath, assuming whatever is happening in your mouth only started the second your head hit the pillow. But that fuzz is actually a highly organized structural layer of bacteria known as a biofilm. And the clock on that biofilm didn't start while you were sleeping. It started ticking hours earlier, right after your last meal. When you look at the biological timeline, a skipped brush leaves an active, measurable chemical cascade running completely unchecked. Think about the environment inside your mouth right after a late dinner. The bacteria are already there, living quietly in a thin layer over your enamel. Within the first 4 hours after you eat, those native bacteria begin to feed on the microscopic carbohydrates and sugars left behind from your food. This diagram illustrates exactly how that process works. The bacteria themselves aren't drilling holes into your teeth. Instead, as they metabolize those leftover carbohydrates, they excrete acid as a direct byproduct. That localized acid production lowers the overall pH of your mouth. As you can see right here, the acidic environment interacts with your enamel, the hardest substance in your body, and begins to temporarily soften it. During the day, your body handles this easily. Your saliva acts as a continuous cleanup crew, washing away that acid and neutralizing the pH. But once you go to sleep, your saliva production drops by roughly 50%. Your mouth's natural defense mechanism slows to a crawl. At the exact moment, the bacterial acid production from your evening meal is churning at its highest rate. If you grabbed a midnight snack without brushing afterward, you restart that acid production clock from zero, guaranteeing hours of uninterrupted exposure. Sleeping with unbrushed teeth locks your enamel in a weakened state, right when your natural protections are offline. Fast forward to the 24-hour mark of skipping your routine. Given that much undisturbed time, the bacteria are able to take that initially loose biofilm and reorganize it into a complex structure. This animation tracks the progression from hour 4 to hour 24. You can see how the scattered bacteria restructure themselves into a rigid, organized grid. This is early plaque, and it forms the physical foundation for permanent tartar. Throughout this entire 24-hour structuring process, the acidic environment is quietly dissolving minerals directly from your softened enamel, bit by bit. The morning fuzz you feel on your teeth is the physical evidence of an acid-producing bacterial stronghold hardening its defenses. Waking up with that coated feeling often triggers a bit of panic. The immediate instinct is to get to the sink and scrub aggressively to make up for the missed night. But remember, that acidic environment has left your enamel in a temporarily softened state. Taking stiff bristles and abrasive paste to a weakened tooth surface physically wears away the enamel faster than the acid itself. You are quite literally scrubbing away your own protection. Some try the opposite extreme, skipping the brush entirely and hoping a harsh mouthwash will fix the problem. But that liquid only hits the superficial surface. It completely fails to physically break apart the organized structure of the plaque and biofilm sticking to your teeth. Your mouth recovers through a specific biological protocol called remineralization, where your saliva gradually redeposits calcium and phosphate back into the enamel. To do that, your saliva needs two things. First, a gentle, thorough 2-minute brushing to physically disrupt the biofilm structure without causing abrasion. Second, you have to leave a gap of time before your next meal, giving the saliva enough uninterrupted time to complete its repair work before a new wave of acid hits. Oral bacteria actually operate on a circadian rhythm. Predictable, daily disruption of their environment is the easiest thing for your body to manage. Skipping one night won't destroy your teeth, but breaking your biological rhythm leaves them vulnerable. Maintaining a steady, predictable routine gives your enamel the exact environment it needs